Right.
Papa P. Okay.
What makes you stay sa beauty derm?
More than anything, I would say it's because you want to support local and entrepreneurs, and Miss Rhea has always been a prime mover, when it comes to products that make our consumers really value what she has. And for me, being with her for 5 years, and how the company has evolved, how a lot of people are actually having better lives because of what she's doing. It makes me feel proud about, being an ambassador of Beauty Derm. And so I'm just really happy that she chose me. And ang sarap kasi ramdam mo yung family, the sense of family here in Beauty Derm.
Mas lumalim na ba yung closeness?
Oh, after 5 years, nakakatuwa na kasi it always grows. It keeps on growing, and you see how the family's growing as well. So nakakatawa because you're growing with the company, talaga napalapit na si Miss Rhea. She's always present, she's always there to give us support, especially sa mga iba-iba naming mga racket din. So nakakatawa because it goes beyond work.
What's the best thing about beauty derm products?
Marami kang mapagpipilian.
Yeah.
Dami siyang essentials na masasabi mo talaga na pag may kailangan ka sa beauty derm ko lang pupunta. So ako, trusted brand ko talaga siya because yung mga kinakailangan ko, buong banyo ko, puro beauty derm. Lahat ng ginagamit ko, beauty derm.
Ano yung favorite mo?
Siyempre the mouthwash, the Atterclair.
Yes.
Yan yung hindi nawawala sa bag natin lagi. Makes you feel confident and at the same time comfortable pag may mga interviews or pag lumalabas ka. So nakakatawa because very useful, talagang magagamit mo.
How do you stay young? Lifestyle choices mo?
Bukod sa puting buhok, I sleep a lot. I value my health because yun ang puhunan din natin sa trabaho. You always have to look presentable in anything that you do. So I always want to be in tip-top shape, especially pag may mga roles na kailangan ng requirement ng medyo physical, diba? And whatever the role is asking for, kailangan ready ka. So it comes to the job, it comes to the territory para at least laging okay ka, laging ready.
Ano yung thoughts mo sa aging?
For me, as a guy, you have to embrace it. I mean, at my age, mahirap man tanggapin yung inevitable. Nagkasalamin na rin ako, tapos nagtitina. So wala talaga tayong magagawa. It's inevitable for me. I'm embracing it in such a way that I don't celebrate my lines. I don't celebrate yung aging, but I just embrace it because I know it talks about your life, your journey in life. And when I look at myself in the mirror, nakikita ko yung history ko, and I don't want to alter that. Masaya na ako sa kung paano man ako mag-evolve, how I'm aging, hopefully gracefully.
Your reaction, Papa P, na pinupuri ng mga tao yung performance mo sa pamilya sa
Siyempre, nakakatuwa yan because pinaghirapan natin yun, and it was a team effort. And one thing I can say about ABS is talagang once they come up with a story, they really go all out. With Dreamscape, I've been a baby of Dreamscape ever since I started until now. So anytime that they need me, anytime there's a new concept, sabi ko, even if I wanted to retire from doing series before, mahirap pumindi. Lalo na pa magaganda yung mga nakukuha mong roles, especially for Pamilya Sagrado when it was first pitched to me. And today you said that I was gonna become a president. Muna tumawa pa ako. Sabi ko, I'm too young for that. Pero naitawid, and now I'm watching it every day. So nakakatuwa siyang panoorin.
Last na sa akin, bumalik na kasi mga empleyado ng ABS sa office.
It only goes to show that we're doing better. So at least makikita mo na ulit yung spirit of community, lalo na pag nasa opisina ka, at yun naman yung kailangan natin. And yeah, I mean, that's good news for me. That's good news for us and mga employees kasi kailangan talaga natin yung ma-boost yung moral ng bawat isa. So being in an office, gives you that sense of being in a community na kailangan magtrabaho, kailangan tayong makadeliver. So maganda yung nangyayari sa ABS.
How do you stay grounded? Kita mo na bata, matanda, kinikilig sa'yo. Anong tumatakbo sa isip mo ganyan?
Trabaho lang. I mean, you don't bring it home. It's a privilege at the same time because, as an artista, as a celebrity, I guess, kasama yun. Maganda yung may pumapansin sa'yo kaysa naman wala, di ba? Baka mamaya mawalan ako ng trabaho pag wala pumapansin sa akin. So, it's a great feeling and nakaka-humble kasi syempre, sa tagal natin sa industriya, meron pa rin tayong napapasaya kahit napapaano.
Pero anong reaction mo? Laging sinasabi ni Ma'am Ray, isa ka sa pinakamabait at pinakamasipag na endorser.
Oo nga.
Beautyderm.
Kaya hindi siya magsasawang kunin ka lagi. Papirmahin ka lagi.
Parang siya lang, napakasipag. And we always want to evolve. We always want to do something that will make us even bigger and in turn help a lot of people have better lives by providing jobs. And of course, yung mga products nga niya, she keeps on inventing new stuff. She keeps on coming up with new things na talagang tama-tama sa mga consumers natin. So I'm just really happy and grateful to be part of Beautyderm.
Papa P, may nagbigyan ka lang ng Beautyderm product sa Pamilya Sagrado.
Siyempre, yan lagi kong gamit eh.
Sinong nabigyan mo?
Hindi, sa set lang eh. So, namimigay ako ng Atherclear, yung mouthwash. And then, yung toothpaste ko, yung rin gamit ko. Yeah.
Sila Kyle and...
Yeah, all of us set kasi siyempre locking kami. So, I give out yung Beautyderm product.
Ano masasabi mo about, of course, Kyle and saka si Gray?
Yung dalawang yun, force. Ang sarap nilang kaisa na because binibigay talaga nila yung best nila. Bago yung attitude, yung willingness to learn and to think out of the box and just listen and just be open. Kaya I guess nag-enjoy kami sa process namin because everyone was just really excited to bring in their A game and at the same time to perform and the best of their abilities. And I've seen how Kyle and Gray have grown, just by watching them from the time that we started. After 6 months, nakita ko talaga how they evolved and how they transformed into their characters. Nakakabilib talaga. Nakakabilib.
Do you see your younger self in them?
I see myself in Inigo. Whenever I see him, I see myself so much in him and all these mannerisms, although how he is, nakikita ko talaga yung sarili ko. Sa kay Gray, nakikita ko yung sarili ko pag may mga angulo rin, di ba?
Yes.
Tapos si Kyle, masyado mestizo, tsaka matangkad para sa akin. So siguro nagmana sa nanay.
Pareho kayo may ni Johnny Gray, di ba?
Kaya nakakatuwa kasi kami ni Maylene sa bahay, talagang grabe yung mga eksena namin, tatlong pamilya. So talagang para kami pamilya, lagi nagsasalpukan. So,
lalo na yung revelation na, di ba?
Last question na raw sabi ni Miss Mo.
Ay, okay.
may entry ka ba sa Metro Manila Film Festival?
I'm down, I think magdadabing na lang ako kasi we're almost done shooting, yeah. The Kingdom with Bossing Big.
Bossing Big.
Yeah, with APT and Media Quest and MZ. So it's going to be a visual treat para sa mga manonood kasi talagang first time nag-drama si Bossing. And it's an epic drama and maganda yung production value. So I'm really excited for December 25. Kasi hindi lang naman ito yung pelikula, we're also celebrating the 50 years of MMFF. So we're all excited and really grateful na nakasama pa rin ako sa celebration.
Nag-comedy ka rin dyan?
It's a drama. It's an epic drama. Something new that you haven't seen Bossing Big started it ever.
Last na lang po, how is it working with Boss Big?
Siyempre nung una, nakaka-intimidate because pinapanood mo lang yan eh. Lumaki akong Big Soto fan, lahat ng mga pelikula sa Film Fest pinapanood ko eh. Siyempre nanginginig ako, nauutal ako noong una, pero kailangan mong panindigan eh. Pero siyempre may fan mentality ka pa rin kasi Big Soto yun eh. So nakakatuwa lang because alam mo parang I was telling my mom, Mami, grabe kaysa na ako si Bossing, nakakataba ng puso, umabot ka sa punto na you get to act alongside an icon. And marami din ako natututunan in terms of discipline and how he is with people. So pangarap yun sa akin, pangarap talaga.
Next question, anong asahan namin sa bagong pictorial mo? It's a Beautyderm, may billboard ba?
Of course, I think Miss Rhea naman spends so much on billboard, mga collaterals in the billboard.
niya for 5 years.
Correct.
Yeah, so something new naman. May bigote naman ako ngayon para mag-iba. Pero every year nag-iiba-iba naman.
Ipapatayo na daw agad bukas.
Naka-approve na.
Thank you,
Okay, thank you, Papa P.
Thank you.